Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to convert your PDF document. This is a journal paper, how to summarize it and put it in handwritten format like this, which is completely looking localized, like it is completely human written, and this is completely written by an AI. You can see it has added some images, some sketches, some sticky notes, some coloration, as it varies from the content. This is very much next level, and you can create this completely for free. You can summarize the content that you have, and it can even give a meaningful direction based on the content that you have as regards what it should cover and the areas you should pay attention to. So you can see these are 3 mitigation strategies that it has written, completely handwritten, and for emphasis it changes the coloration and uses common mistake sticky notes to the paper. You can see the local writing paper. Everything is kind of localized, and you can get a big summary of what you have in here completely free of charge. Now I'm going to show you step by step and even share the prompt that I used to generate this so that you can replicate if you're interested. The tool that I have used is also, of course, Google Gemini. You can access it by coming to gemini.google.com, and then once you're here you have to log into your account. Now you can identify and upload the image or the document that you want to convert into handwritten by coming to this plus sign. You can upload. So you can, let's say we are going to use this chapter 5 on hydropower. If you like, we can have a preview of what it is. You can open, you can see it. It's just a chapter in hydropower. You can see it very detailed, but it's a bit much. It has about 60 pages of content, but we can kind of summarize this into reasonable content. So it gave us just like a handwritten summary of what is in here. So we can just use this as an example. So let me select that, bring it in, and then I'm going to now use my prompt. So this is the prompt. Write the content in short bullet points with proper spacing. So you can see like a real notebook page. Present in a handwritten study note style suitable for revision and exams. Include handwritten diagrams, graphs, maps, flowcharts are placed on the center or right side of the page, clearly labeled with arrows and annotations. So these are the key details of what is intended in the prompt. So let's kind of go ahead and copy the entire prompt. All right, so let's copy the prompt and then go back to Gemini and paste it in here. But the next thing is you have to select in the tools, you have to use canvas, and then you have to select the model type to make it pro. You make sure canvas is selected and the pro feature of Google Gemini is also enabled. So you can go ahead and hit on enter to this and just give this some seconds to go ahead and carry out some of the basic analysis to be able to run the code and generate the handwritten note for you. As you can see, it has started writing the code. It's going to be a very long one, so let's just give you some seconds to see what is going to come out of this. All right, and as you can see, it has just finished, and take a look at what it has given us. Chapter 5 hydropower ICIPCC notes, so you can put the date if you're interested, and then this is hydropower, just a quick summary, and you can see the variation in the coloration of the pen that is used, and take a look at the illustration of the dam in terms of the dam, reservoir, the potential turbine, generator and electricity generation, the pen stock, and so on. It is well captured and very detailed. Types of hydropower plants, we have runoff river, reservoir storage and pumped storage, and so on. So you can see the sticky notes, you can see the natural paper type that we have in here, and the hydropower technologies, the turbines, and so on. You can see the different costs, economics, and head versus flow turbine selection, the head that you have, and then the type of turbine you should select, the Kaplan, Frank 6 Pelton turbine, and so on. So you can see each one of them its own feature and advantages and disadvantages. To take a look, it is well captured. Every detail of that document had been summarized in here. This can be used, can be very helpful. For example, if you are writing an exam, you can use this AI tool to kind of summarize and generate a handwritten summary of your notes that you can easily use and share with your friends for ease of comprehension, and so on. And the next thing is you can share this directly. You can click and share, and it's going to generate a link that you can share with people You can also share on LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and Reddit if you're interested. Alternatively, if you don't want to do all of this, you can as well come over to the coding in here, and then you can just make sure you highlight and select all the codes that it has generated. All right, so you can do Ctrl A on all the codes, you can copy it, and then you can search for your text file or notepad. You can do a search for it, and then you can paste in all the code in here, and then you can do Ctrl S and save it as code.html. okay, so possibly you save this somewhere. All right, so when you try to double click, it is going to open and you'll be able to see your handwritten document that you have just created with Notebook LM. Okay, and I think this is wonderful. This is very much next level. You can as well use it at any given point, and you can share that particular file with that HTML file with anybody, and once he clicks, it's going to open the Notebook LM file. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Google Gemini to convert a PDF document into a completely handwritten document like this, completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.